In today's fast-paced world, finding efficient and convenient cleaning solutions is essential. Traditional vacuum cleaners, with their cords and bulkiness, can often be more of a hindrance than a help. This Electrolux WellQ7 stick cleaner, a lightweight, cordless vacuum designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. This comprehensive review will delve into the features, benefits, and reasons why the Electrolux WellQ7 should be your next cleaning companion. The Electrolux WellQ7 boasts advanced axial cyclone technology, which accelerates air rotation within the dust bin. This technology ensures that dirt and dust are efficiently separated and collected, reducing the risk of clogging and maintaining consistent performance throughout your cleaning session. Imagine a vacuum that doesn't lose suction power halfway through cleaning, giving you a consistently powerful clean every time. Keeping your home free from allergens is crucial, and WellQ7's 5-step filtration system is designed to do just that. This system includes a 2-layer foam filter and a sealed E10 emission filter, trapping dirt and dust inside the vacuum. This not only ensures a cleaner home, but also prevents the recirculation of particles, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. One of the standout features of the Electrolux WellQ7 is its motorized bristle nozzle. This powerful nozzle is specifically designed to remove fine dust and dirt from various floor types, including carpet and hardwood. The bristles agitate the surface, loosening dirt and making it easier to vacuum up. Whether you're dealing with stubborn carpet dirt or delicate hardwood floors, the WellQ7's motorized bristle nozzle ensures a deep clean on all surfaces. Cleaning isn't limited to floors. The WellQ7 includes an integrated hand unit, allowing you to quickly switch from floor cleaning to tackling surfaces like sofas, curtains, and even car interiors. This versatility makes the WellQ7 a comprehensive cleaning tool for your entire home. Battery life is a critical factor for cordless vacuums, and the WellQ7 doesn't disappoint. With up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge, you can perform thorough cleaning sessions without interruption. This extended battery life ensures you can cover larger areas or tackle more intensive cleaning tasks without constantly needing to recharge. Hair and fibers getting tangled in the brush roll is a common issue with vacuum cleaners. The WellQ7 addresses this with its brush roll clean technology. With the press of a button at the top of the nozzle, the vacuum automatically releases stubborn hair and fibers, keeping the brush roll clean and maintaining optimal performance. Say goodbye to manually detangling hair from your vacuum brush. The WellQ7 does it for you at the touch of a button, saving you time and effort. Dark corners and under furniture can often hide dirt and debris. The WellQ7 is equipped with LED nozzle lights, illuminating these hard-to-see areas and ensuring a thorough clean. These lights are particularly useful for spotting dust and dirt on hard floors, giving you a clear view of what needs to be cleaned. Weighing in at just a few pounds, the WellQ7 is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during extended cleaning sessions. The compact form factor also makes it easy to store when not in use, fitting conveniently in small spaces. With its lightweight design and easy maneuverability, the WellQ7 takes the strain out of cleaning, making it a task you won't dread. The Electrolux WellQ7 is designed with sustainability in mind. Its energy-efficient turbo battery power reduces your environmental footprint. Additionally, the high-quality filters are washable and reusable, meaning you won't need to frequently purchase replacements, saving you money in the long run. Final thoughts. The Electrolux WellQ7 stick cleaner is a game-changer in home cleaning. Its combination of advanced technology, versatile features, and user-friendly design make it an invaluable tool for maintaining a clean and healthy home. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, fine dust, or everyday messes, the WellQ7 has the power and flexibility to handle it all with ease. Invest in the Electrolux WellQ7 stick cleaner today and experience the future of home cleaning. Transform your cleaning routine into a hassle-free and efficient process that leaves your home spotless and your life simpler. Make cleaning a breeze with the Electrolux WellQ7 stick cleaner. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring this innovative vacuum into your home today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.